How to replace the Krups milk steaming wand on your Krups automatic coffee maker. You're going to want to do this, basically when this goes bad. Sometimes they'll clog up over after a while, or they'll break, or you can even just lose it in the dishwasher or something like that. But they're really like super straightforward. They're made to be replaced. So all you need to do really to replace it is just get a new one, and the old one will pop off and the new one will pop right back on. I'll put a link down below if you need to know to get the one that is the one for your coffee maker, your Krups coffee maker. But basically we're going to come in here and you'll see right here is where it's just held on by a little gasket and everything like that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of twist and gently pull it off from there. And you can see there's this little gasket that stays on here. This piece comes off and gets replaced. This stays on. And so from here, we're just going to come in with our new wand, and you're just going to press it on until it pops on. And that's all there is to it.